guys, what's going on? Welcome back to episode 12 of Milkshake Wednesday. Thank you for joining me for another one. Just want to say quickly, one way you can support the channel and you would really make me very happy is if you hit that like button and actually just smash the subscribe. Guys, like 80% of you guys who are watching the videos aren't even subscribed, so come on, just hit that subscribe. It's really easy, it takes like half a second. I'm just like struggling to get into gear here. But welcome to episode 12 of Milkshake Wednesday. It's gonna be a wild one. The crew said they tried to arrange with a couple of people to get some more cars there, so I'm really excited to see what's going to go down. If you guys haven't checked out last week's video, go check it out. It's really cool. It's quite a long one. Had a ride in a 200 kilowatt Nissan Juke. Jock, insane car. Can't wait to turn up the boost. So let's go. Check this sick Honda. Damn, guys, this is like one of my favorite shapes. I had the one just before this with the pop-up lights. But this is like one of my favorite shapes. I'm not really sure exactly what it's called. I think it's called EF. Fucking sick. We just got a nice little full moon. Oh, where all my wild dogs at? I just pulled up to Cottages, so I'm going to stay here for quite a while. So cars here. I'm going to see who else is here now. Just going to say hello. Remember, you can cop yourself a Yunek Originals bucket hat. There will be a few different designs for the German fans and the JDM fans. There will be a couple of different designs. So Eton's Fiesta is looking sick. There's a couple of new people here. I haven't seen this JDM. There's the Etude, and this Focus has like a wild paint job. Holy shit! Attention to detail on this is crazy. Wonder the owner of this is dope. Here's the Duke boys. Here's Jock as well. Fuck this thing as well. Woo. Yeah, this thing's crazy. I can't wait for him to turn it up. But I think everyone's busy pulling up now, so I'm just gonna say hello to my brother. He's here as well, so say hello to him and grab a quick milkshake, then I'll rejoin. Sheldon's making noise again. Shut up, man. Shut up. Making noise. Ah! Hey, uncle! Hey, foot. Lemon. Fuck! Gets me every time. Sheldon rocking a unique perspective sticker. What's up, boy? Isn't that rip? Thank you, bro. Appreciate ya. Some really wild experience. And this thing is just insane loud. I don't know diesel. It's dope with it here.
Memphis, man.
See, I told you.
Nice.
Been supposed to be going here since fucking Pendo.
Yes, please. I love me an R, but
Sounds deep.
fucking, it's a Black Panther. It's a Silver Panther.
This is her just chilling. This is a Black Panther.
Sports and then manual. Hello. I was also doing manual in my golf. It's only way you actually hear it. It's weird, eh?
Yeah,
So you put it in manual, you don't crack more. Yeah, that thunderbolt. You hear it more if you shift chair than what you do if you shift with the pedals. I don't
Really?
know. For me, for my car.
For me, it sounds the same.
Nah, I hear it more here than what I hear it there. I think I need to get like a DSG
Extender, yeah.
flash or pedal. What's it called?
Pedal shifts, like the extenders.
No, not the pedal shift extenders. You get your tuning.
TCU.
DCU.
Yeah. So I need to upgrade that so it's more responsive.
Okay, well, yeah.
Here we go. I
So
need
I've
more
done that.
response. This isn't responsive. This is very responsive. Here we go. If you take this right, there's a big dump. There's a dump, yeah, there's a dump.
Right, yeah.
Right, yeah. Maybe.
There we go.
Yeah. This thing is so
Yes,
nice.
yeah, it sits, bro.
Yeah. 4 wheels. Oh.
Sounds so nice.
Fuck. What do you spend on petrol a month, Donnie?
Yes,
Jesus,
right.
bro.
Let me tell you something.
If you're on the foot, bro, then it's heavy.
I'd stop here and give us a launch.
I can't, dude. Like, it's full load, dude. I don't have my fucking brakes. I think we're gonna skip this. Yes, dude. Like I say, this car's not perfect yet, dude. So I can't like jump it now and fucking all that shit. Bro. So soon, soon, bro. Soon.
That's crazy.
This was lovely. Thank you, brother.
No,
Much
fucking
appreciated.
Fucking. What do you think, bro? That's dope,
Mad.
Jeez.
Should actually been sitting in the back because that's where you actually really you feel it, dude.
You
Feel that
see,
shit
you
for
hear
that.
it, everything.
Put a handy here, you say grab it, you won't. Launch, this thing is mad. With those 4 wheels just fucking grip.
But I'll get it, bro. I'll get it soon. It's her, it's not me, bro. I'm just a passenger, bro. This is a beach. Next time I'll definitely give you guys a launch and everything.
Yo, can't wait. Guys. This is insane. Fuck. It was hard. And yo. Yo, the vibes are pumping out. Vibes by Etienne's car. Ah, what are the champs? Don't know if you guys remember Benny. Well, that's Benny. I don't know if you guys remember him from one of like the first videos, episode 2 I think. Fucking wild city golf, 1800, 16 valve. Wow. Woo, shit. Jeez, thank you for joining episode 12 of Milkshake Wednesday. It was a very successful one. Dwayne's here in the background as you saw. Yeah, as I said guys, clothing is live now. Yeah, you better copy yourself. There's very limited supply for the start. So yeah, drop 1 is officially live. The hoodies will be coming a little bit later, but yeah. Stickers are also coming, just waiting for those to get finished printing or get finalized with the printers. And yeah, then everything will be advertised and I'll take some pictures of it and yeah, get everything up and post it on Instagram on Yunek Originals. So thank you for joining for another video. Thank you for everyone that's smashed the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. It's really easy guys. Yeah, it helps the channel a lot and just helps me get out there. So thank you so much for that. Keep the good vibes flowing. See you guys in the next one. Cheers.